Alright. Few minutes early. I test down my boss and it seems to be working. Actually, yeah, let me play with the notification really quick. Because I had a fan going. Hopefully I don't cause any trouble with that. But 30 degrees Celsius in my room right now. Not fun. Okay. Oh my bad. Wrong button. That's the noise cancellation, I guess. Let me turn off. Jesus. Okay. Gotta be a button that I can use on this. Alright. We just have to move on. Alright, so you guys don't mind wondering why I got gloves on? Well, I discovered just a teeny tiny bit of blemish on the PET part that I printed. Decided, you know, this is my printer. I am going to give it a little bit of a clear coat, basically. So, yeah, you guys won't see it at all on the camera. Say this. Okay. Yeah, so you guys will not be able to see this, but there's just a little bit that but this. Yes, there we go. I think. Oh boy. Got a trip hazard of a camera. Give me a sec. On this piece here. Maybe I could shine a light onto it. Yeah, you can see with the light, I think. Okay, I can see with the light with my eye, but I don't know a thing about you. There's a line right there where the filament was under extrude on the outer layer. Does it make any difference if I left it just as is? Absolutely not. I'm pretty sure it doesn't make any difference at all. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fill that line in with some Bondix really quick, just before we start it. Just to appease my own what is it called? Weird obsession with perfect print. And of course, because it's such a difficult thing to do, I don't think it's gonna show up on camera very well what I'm doing. And I've been using this Bondix stuff a lot lately. I'm not sure I have enough left for when I actually do need it. Ow. I just scratched my something with face. That's the filling. Now just spread it around with a glove. And yes, this is extremely extra. You never need this. Oh wow, the noise gauge cut out a lot because of the fan going, but I was saying you don't actually need to do any of this. I'm just being extremely weird. Yes, sir. Just shine some light on my finger as well to make sure that no, got a little bit. Yep. Oops, still some grease somewhere. I was on the Voron Discord earlier today, and by earlier today I literally mean by minutes ago. And there was somebody on Discord who were very keen to tell me that I need to anneal these parts. I'm not taking this apart just so I can mute it. Yes, PET's CF, not GF for the gantry. Yeah, well. I'm gonna get this stuff up just so that I don't get it contaminated with Bontex. That's the last thing I want to put under my into my mouth. That we can actually start on doing the thing that we're meant to be doing. Alright, I'll turn the fan off in a minute because yeah, don't miss it. My room. Oop. 29 degrees Celsius. And in freedom unit. Yeah, that's what freedom unit is. So I was dying in my room without a fan, but apparently the noise, just too much noise. Yeah, there's just too much noise for the noise cancellation to actually work. Anyway, for today, I put the camera up high because we need a view of that there, where I'm gonna cut the rod required for the dock. Also the little one for the rods for the dock. Okay, they're all for the dock. And then we'll be trying to put the I'm gonna put the two head here. Newly designed the two head there. So, how will it work? Yeah, that go. Now the part goes right down there on the box here. In the part. Yes. Hello. Adler, how you doing? Message. Like a tail part. Thinking to keep these around. If I keep them around, I had never ever used them, anything that I kept around as the top prototype, because there's no marking on them. So I later on, even if they work, I don't know which version. Oh, on stream I just happened yesterday. Okay. There we go. Thanks, Omen. Yeah, anyway, I'll throw away all my prototypes because really I don't have space for them, nor do I ever want to use them. Also, because they have the same color as the current version, would be really bad if I mix them up. I need one of those fancy scraper. We'll make them again. Detect, right? Alright, give me a moment. I think I'm going to swap to the earbud mic instead of sticking to camera mic as I am right now, because that was much better at stuff on my voice. Just 3 seconds. I'm gonna mute myself now just in case something go wrong. Alright, let's hope this is better. Ooh, maybe too loud. Yeah, it's the peak a little bit. Alright, where was I? Yes. So I was thinking step 1, adding thin nut here. Some M3 nut, that's normal hex nut. I'm thinking about using square nut as well, the same as the what do you call it, A4T. But right now I have abundant of hex nut, so. Yeah, a little tight on this little gap here. It comes in, but I can imagine a more brittle material like PETCF would not be take that lightly. So it came in perfectly. So I can continue with the prototyping. But yeah. Later on in the CAD, I will give it a 0.1 millimeter more tolerant, just in case. There we go. Alright, there we go. And next is these Ready? No, countersunk bolt. 2 of the M3x16. And I need to grab, where I got, yeah, need to grab these two here. Yeah, put that one on there. Ooh, I got the sun, this little protrude a little bit more than I wanted. Let me see if I can scrape the, what was it? The little scar due to the, what it called? The, start of the print, yeah. I can't forget because I can't remember because the nozzle T1 that I use, T0 that I use to print this is calibrated for PET CF. So when it come back to ABS, it gives these nasty seams. You know? Oh, you can see it. Yeah, you can give the nasty seam here or everywhere. So now I need to clean it up, especially in part where that tolerance is tight. And also, these overhang does not look great in my opinion. It can focus. Yeah, this overhang right there doesn't look too good. It's not bad. I can clean it up. As you can see right. Yeah, the one thing, no matter what, is to increase the size of this countersunk because they all leave a little bit of and it pushed the bolt just off the surface of the print. I can see it, and it's going to cause problem. Alright, let's just put them into the print now and see how that go. I'm gonna use an M. Oh. I can't remember what bolt that is. Well, M3x12, let's try that first. No, it's M3x16. M3x16 and M3x16. Nope, even more. M3x20. Yeah, M3x20. That's the number. Wait. Oh, I may have spoken too soon. When I tighten it down, it literally flush. Is it flush now? Oh no. That correction was too soon. It actually not flush. Alright, now we need to try out the magnets and the sleeve. I once again will not be using any glue or what the new part because these are prototype. It started by hand. Oh, it came in by hand. That's good. Magnet. Yeah. Really should have put the DC in before I screw it down. All right. So we're gonna learn a lesson there. Nice. Alright. Concerning with this is not gonna manifest. My concern with this are not gonna manifest into a long-term review, fortunately, and that is because I print this on like that. So the orientation of this is not very optimal for durability. But the only way to test it though is to actually just chuck it into the printer and have it run hundreds of hours and crash up a couple of times before you know. Trying to make sure that everything is flat. You need it to, but you know, better make sure. Oh, YouTube, don't ban me now. I pull out a knife. Not good. The screw length is not optimal. You can see it. Oh. I'm gonna put this steam deck away really quick. Yeah, so if you can see, yeah, you see the screw poking out there. The 8-bit is fine, like 3mm coming through. The 20mm though is too long. So this need to go back into like 16 if possible, and if not, then we need to find ourselves at M3 by 18. Yeah, this is what 16 looks like. This is what 16 look like, and you can see it. It's right there. It's there, but so you cannot see it. It does not poke through at all. Oh, it's that one. Sorry, it's that one. How do we do this? We can sink this in a little bit. So where was I? Wait, let's see me to check something. Where can I use some marker? What can I use as some marker? I don't have a marker. It is so hot. I need to turn the fan back on, guys. Oh, and I know that the stream element is not fully working yet, but make sure to like and subscribe if you like what I'm doing. This will help out the stream quite a lot. Let's see. Alright, let's use some tape. I need to. I want to see how deep that thread is on the carriage. So just as a paper somewhere that said it, but I want to see it for myself here right now. Oh, it's quite deep. Alright, so that is how much there is to thread into the carriage. Which is about 6 mil. So this is 14. So 20 mil will barely. Oh, actually 20 mil might work. Okay. So this might work. One. Yeah, this might work. And it's not ideal because it doesn't provide the compression required. And 8. So rather than 8, I should go for 10. Really. Yeah. So this is a. Oh, this is a different bolt type. What's it? This is the button head. Button head for M3x10. I don't have M3x10. Why they had? Oh wait, oh M3x10. I was like. All right, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Screw that in. Yeah, so you can see, because because I split this thing in the middle into 2. Now I can have this side go wiggly like that, and I can now assemble the other side really quick. 320. Oh, I need to yeah, I realize I need to add some M3 nut elsewhere as well, according to the original instruction. Yeah, I need to add M3 nuts and then there. Hey, oh my, what the? On this one, I reckon what I'll do real quick. Yeah, because the screw is all the way inside. So the way that you're gonna should be, I'm gonna do this. You're gonna use so I'll put the bolt on like that. I just push it in first. That way, it's not gonna fall in on its side. Also, we don't drop the bolt. Oh my! I said that, but then it still immediately gone back. Alright, I'll pick that one apart as well. Just trying to assemble these two M3 and by 30 into together first before I put them on the gantry. Damn it. Wow. Here we are. The current on these adjuster is a lot less than I thought. I'm not sure they are meant for a tension adjustment, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know what the original idea were behind them are. Before I tighten that down. Oh, right. So this is the mono backplate or the two head side type engine. That is to say, the upper is printed together with the front, and the downside with this, you can tell by the hopefully tell by the by that surface there, it look like ass. But the reason why you do this is because now this time these two are not joined together as a single piece and it's so much stronger. I think, yeah, once again, I think I'll stick with this for the time being. So, alright, so this one requires 4 entry nut just insert into the hole there. And the tolerance, at least for my machine, is perfect, so I can just drop them in. But you may need to get some pliers involved in this. Oh, you need some pliers involved in that. Okay. I'm just gonna grab that bolt of this sample. If it's fine, yeah. Can't remember how much the size this is. These are M3 by 16. So this is perfect. Keep going. Oh, I get this away. Put this away in case I drop anything into my padlock tab. Oh, and the reason why I use nut instead of threaded insert is this here. If you want to reclaim it, you can just put a nut in, put a bolt in and yank it out. This is so much better than what we had before. Did I drop anything in there? I didn't. Oh, just need a where gone? Ah, there it is. Oh, by the way, if you don't mind, but I'm not do streaming. I'm watching what is it? The what do you call it? The 3D Musketeer stream. At the same time as I'm doing this stream, and apparently they're talking about the A3D fire. No, I don't know A3D. Sorry, Bamboo A1 fire. I meant that. Oh man. Alright, so before I actually did this, let's put the heatsink on, because there's something I want to test with this. And the heatsink is inside that box. So I need to get this out the way. Oh my god, don't scratch my frame! Where is it? Refill heat code. And nozzle pack. Wait. Oh, need to put that in. Assume, if I remember correctly, these are M3 by 8. Five, six, 7, 8. Oh, I did put it down there. Let me drop the camera down a little bit so you don't have to stare down to the ground. Well, I'm 2 by 6. I don't know actually. Oh no, I'm 2 by 8. I can see it's the head poking out the other end. Yeah, I'm 2 by 8. That's perfect. Yeah. I don't know why I've been trying to type it down so much. I'm gonna have to type it anyway. But good to be sure. I'm not gonna put the nozzle on just yet, but this is there just so that I know that I can account for it. And I could put the nozzle in and then account for everything. Test around with that. What do I have to? Yes. Yep. Now this go online. So. But these now. It's gonna be interesting. So. Let me grab a driver now. Just get it is in. We'll talk about the next stuff. Yeah. Alright, just tie them in the back two in first. Let it stay in place. Now, if I can find it, hopefully they're not lost. Where is it gone? I already spin myself into a confusion. Oh, there we go. Right. So, because the distance between that end and that end is a little bit shorter than the original. Originally intended, I have to create some spacer here. This spacer, and then you grab one of these M3 by 50. What do you call? Countersunk bolt, and you just drop it in there. There's a side that had a cup shape to it. So now this become an M3 by 40 47 bolt, which is going there. And I'm just gonna throw it down, hopefully, to the other side. This way, I don't have to edit. I have many. I don't have to edit the original cowling for the A24 at all. A4T maybe, not A24. Wording is hard. Right, so this one did flush to the surface. Good, as it's intended. Nice. And just like last one, I should have put the goddamn, oh my god, I should have put the magnet and the pins in. Oh my god. Alright, and disassemble everything. I wonder why they use the button head bolt for everything in the original Voron. There got to be a reason, right? I mean, socket head, I mean, not button. Assume just easier to work with, or something like that, or more common. Oh, and those spacers stay right in there, so you're never gonna get them. Oh, you can get them out, but you may destroy the cowling doing that. Now let me hunt down some 15mm pin here, and let's see how that goes in. Yeah, that's the 15. Oh, that one fit perfect. And man, my machine is getting good at making a quality part. It's kind of scary. Because the one of the reason why MissChanger did not pick up much steam, because the build process for that thing is horrible. Not because the design is bad. The design is good. It's just that design requires so much tolerance that when people are actually trying to build it, other people that other than the designer himself trying to build it, they couldn't. That's why the Stealth Changer came to be. Because trying to align a threaded insert in there was challenging, and trying to get the holes trying to get the exact hole that required for the those pin and magnet node that come in is just not good, not easy. I'm worried that what I'm doing now is requiring too much precision, and people just like, you know what, I'm just going with an honest solution instead. but you know. Alright, let's test it out. Because I don't before I put the magnets on. Oh. It's actually pretty good. No idea how that's gonna work out when there's a belt tensioning on it though. So once again, that is something to be seen. Let's tighten down all these bolts first. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Another thing that I've been doing today is to write the script for the V2 the announcement for V2. So basically the announcement of the thing that we're making. Wait. One sec, let me just do this. Focus on. Now, because it worry me a bit because the bolt gonna bottom out on that one. Oh. Only slightly for one. And more importantly, let me grab a scale now. Now, if I have a tool head, I would have used a tool head to press on it and see. But for now, I don't. So let's use a scale here. Could see it. Damn it. How do we do that? I'm just gonna have to tilt this over, and I don't have any other means to calculate this. I don't know how. I don't know. Let's just say we got 20 grams of mating without the. We got the magnet attached to it. So let's grab some magnet now. Ooh. What? Oh, this N52 magnets are super strong. Just kind of difficult to start them. This up there. Alright, before I put myself to that hell again, I put it onto the tool head. is this? Yeah, the overhang definitely showed through this one here. You see that little imperfection or between the two parts there. Unfortunately. But to be fair, there's overhang on both the A4T cowling and on that piece, so it doesn't anything is pretty it's on brand. Alright. These are should be M3 by 8, right? No, be missed it. Alright, let's try M3 by 8 now. Nope, M3 by 10. This end. Nope, M3 by. Whoa! Oh my god. Be quite a lot more than I thought. Oh no, M3 by 10, M3 by 10. Oh no, I need to get back to M3 by 8. M3 by 8 barely not make it, while the M3 by 10 is barely more than it needed. So let's try to push the M3 by 8 in, try to see if it catch the bolt. Nope. Okay. No, it doesn't. Oh, M3 by 10 it is. Maybe a washer would do this, I wonder. Yeah, because ultimately we want an M3 by 9, right? So this washer here, yeah, this black washer here is 1.1 millimeter thick. This is a nylon washer. Oh my, my face was completely blown out. And yes, chat, meet chat, that's how I'm monitoring the stream right now. So that's an M3 by 10. So wash on it. Ooh, the hole is slightly bigger than the washer one that we go. I need to push the washer in first, I think, or if I can. Oh my god, I'm really forced, man. Alright, that didn't work. Yeah. Out of a stroke of luck. Out of a stroke of luck, I actually printed these extra spacer for the bottom, just in case they fail on the print. So let me try this with an M by the countersunk M3 by 10. Yes, it's only ever so slightly thinner. Oh, you can. I don't think you can see it there. I think it should be. Let me actually just measure it before I even bother putting it in, pushing it. Oh, that's 6. M3 by 6. That's become. This is not good. Let's try M3 by 12 countersunk, and let's join that into the print directly. Ooh, oh, slightly too thick. Still slightly too thick. Damn. Alright, go back to by 10. Go by 10. Yeah, the problem with using nut instead of threaded insert is that the threaded insert will give you more room, more thread to bite on. The nut is actually only 2.5 millimeter thick. If you don't meet the nut before or after that, you basically screwed. Yeah, I need to design this is unfortunate, but I had to design a custom spacer for this hole. Oh my god, literally just add like 0.2, 0.3 millimeter onto the spacer, and that's it. Unfortunately. Oh, don't drop. Alright, let's add the other one. Wait, is it gonna be the same on this side? Alright, so it's just print to print variation on the top bit then. because this side will be a little bit too, it's too loose, or this side is a little too tight. More thing to work on, I suppose. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh, hello. The little persuasion. Yeah, it requires a little persuasion. Just yeah, just slightly. What's this scraping on? Oh man. Damn. Yeah. Oh, there you go. So just the right angle coming in. Yeah, then immediately drop it down. Alright, that's good. Ooh. Alright. There's a bit of trouble now. Okay. So grab the camera. Sorry about it. I don't want to see it. Oh no, you cannot there. Yeah, you can see. If you hope you can see this, but the little protrusion for we are missing like 1 or 0.5 mil here of the gantry. So we cut. So basically, I need to trim that little edge there. Just not just push it inward like 1 more mil, or to make this clear. Actually, let me check on the current printer really quick, just to know if that is the case, because it could be something else that hit the. Oh, alright, good. The motor's off. Yeah. Oh boy. Alright, so yeah, I need to drop a mill. The mill so off that little corner there, just so that it doesn't hit the wall before the rail. Actually, let's roll that down. That's the kind of thing that I have to roll down, else I just never noticed to the very end. So what do I need to do? Oh, right. In that case, do I need to adjust this counter some a bit here? I don't think so. Yeah. Okay, and then so make the magnet holder for the tool head. Oh right, I need to make a little I need to replace the LED at the front of this tool head with a magnet, and I obviously need a holder for that. So that is one. Create clearance. For gantry, X gantry. Yeah, that's that one. Alright. Relatively small, so I reckon I can just write it down as a note, and for tomorrow sometime, or tomorrow's Monday, right? I may not be on tomorrow. Alright, let's put the dock together. Actually, this can stay. Just need a whole box to move backwards, but I can access those boards on the floor there. To start with this, I need to finish moving this up. Yeah, some small pieces. There's a pole. Oh no! I forgot to disable the support for the inside of those walls. So now I need to find a way to punch them out. Oh. Oh, that's easy. Hold on. Alright. Give me a rod. Entry rod. Entry me rod. I cannot remember what letter I need to cut this rod actually. So yeah, I designed it so long ago now that I can't remember what is the design parameters. Oh yeah, and this hole need to do the same. Need to receive the same treatment as the other magnet hole, where I turn the bridging part horizontal. Oh no, this looks good. This is supposed to go like that. And in the final print, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna print mine, at least the gate here, to be red. Oh wait. So looking all good, isn't it? Alright, now this file going here. This one going there. These are the spacer to allow me to adjust this. Well, first of all, there's these axle line here. Just two of them up and down. These axle line are going there. There's this slot, one there. The other one on this side. Right, so these are meant to go on the gantry, like so. There's some bolts that need to be in there as well, but we can get to that. And then this piece, they need a this thing need a M3 nut. Yeah, the nut is the nut tolerance is perfect, at least for mine. I think this is M3. Oh, this thing is the clamp that hold the everything on onto the rotating dock, but the rotating ball on the dock. But you can tell here uh the overhang does not very don't agree with this piece very well. Not sure if that's going to be an ongoing problem or what. So I'm not going to do anything just yet because if I remember correctly, that previous prototype does not have that problem. It used the same angle. Right, so that's that. So M3 by 16. Okay. Put it in there. And slightly tighten the bow. Let me blast this thing with some heat here just to get rid of the white bit of that I just scraped off. Right, now I need to grab I need to go to the computer really quick because I need to figure out how long to cut the rods. Why does that noise came to the stream? Yeah, I'm cleaning up things up. Give me a sec. Just clean up my desk so that I can keep working. All right. So, yep. Right. Grab. Oh, that's me. Here. Oh. Go to the dock. Oh, not that one. Where's the dock? A4T dock. Oh. So, just to make sure that I know what I'm looking at. Yeah. that. This is that. That is 93.6. That down because I ain't gonna remember that number. Pretty sure I wrote it down somewhere already, but between that time and now, I actually changed the notebook. For one, just ran out of pages. 3.6 millimeter. $69.6. Nice. Okay. Ready to go. So to make sure that I got my cutting correctly, what I'm gonna do, I pull up the stream up. Yeah, gonna put the caliber here up before I even get the rod in. I'm gonna put out 93.6. Six, 2, 3. Second, I'm focusing. And yes, you may argue that this is not exactly necessary for a prototype, but I'm locking it. Oh, 93.6. Dead on. Now, so I'm just gonna use the back here, the step right. Then I mark it with the marker. Oh, no, not the marker. The marker does not go to the. Do not go with the marker. Itself does not show up in the does not go to the edge of the caliber, so it could not directly connect the crashing tape. Alright, so now that is a negative. No, because I want that is the number 53.6 minimum. The 33.6 is the minimum. So that one mark where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna use this to mark the other end here. I don't think I explained myself very well. There we go. So now I can make sure that to account for the play of the ball here by with that piece of tape. As long as it's below that, that's fine. All right. Oh, Let's see if we turn up the show the sound of this line up on camera. Oh my. What's the chance that I grabbed the wrong blade again? Oh no, it's not. Right blade. Wait, is the oh, the music stopped. One sec. I was like, why is this so empty? Alright, can you start seeing me? Kind of wasteful, but this they need to be thrown away. I haven't found an actual use for this. Should have put on glove. I'm gonna wash my hands. Be right back, chat. down just slightly. Okay, try not to peek with this mic because every time you see my voice just flat out of the mic. Where I got a glove just laying around, but I couldn't find it. This is not good for this the temperature of this room right now. Just increased by 1 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. It's a peak of the past, what, 3 weeks? Clean up the edge so that it doesn't cut my parts. Got the inner rod done. Next one is 69.6. Eight point 9.936.967. Alright, there we go. 69.6. Alright. Lock that down. Cut my tape. Forgot these gloves actually make the tape a little bit unwieldy, not gonna lie. But the other one, just that first tape there is just a marker. Oh, I might have to jump off at just a sec to get my tea. Get this done first, and I'll go with my tea. No, like that. Where we cut it. Alright, I go make my tea. Go not make my tea. Keep the mic on. Keep talking. Okay. And we'll just play with the volume chat. Give me a little bit. Alright. T. Need to go down. I turn my fan off just a little bit because the room cool down just a bit. So I don't lose too much of my there's a plus or minus here anymore. So if the YouTube is doing the stream correctly and accurately, yeah, because I one of the things that I have enabled on YouTube is auto caption. We're not working. It's not working. That's it. God damn it. Oh yeah, I just decided to turn itself off. Yeah. Well, that's my attempt to make myself easier to be grab my tea, get my tea, pour my tea now. Yeah. hell of a lot of money in this one. Whoa. I'm listening to the Ministerial podcast, and they say POA before ABS, and that doesn't work for me. Yes. Back to the main screen now, the active screen. Everyone with the chat and all of that. I'm gonna have my stomach full of metal pellet now, metal shaving, because I totally forgot to put the gloves on. But it's not that bad, right? As long as I don't eat metal shave, metal what is it, wire. That's the thing that might be bad for the stomach. See? Right. Cheers for all the for the hot weather people out there. I hope you got was it air conditioning? Because here in the UK we are not getting that. On the job, more you call for AC? Oh, you called it for AC? HVAC change on the job. Oh lord. You do what you do? What you do a job for a different country? Because I'm in the UK. Yeah, I can fly you over here, bring you AVAC, and you can start it for me. Oh, if only I got the permission with the landlord to do that. Honestly, that's the reason why most people in Europe don't got AC. Not because they don't want an AC, because they all need permission from the landlord to get that done. And sadly, that's not going to be not gonna happen. The landlord ain't gonna deal with that cost. And neither is the tenant, to be fair. Oh, you're just gonna have a long swim from America over here. Alright. I'll be waiting. Oh, and make sure to don't get caught by the what is it, the border patrol. They have been upping the the boat. The UK and French had finally got together on a deal to patrol the border and cut all the boat coming in. How well they're gonna work? I don't know. It's at least less illegal immigrant, I guess. Not America, Europe, LI. But that make it easier. That make it worse actually, because I'm pretty sure the UK had zero patrol on that side of the country. It's the English channel between French and the UK that didn't get in trouble. Maybe not the best solution, but how about a mobile aircon? Just need to hang the hose outside the window. Yeah. To be honest, it's not unbearable. The weather. I mean, I complain about it because British, but ultimately I can bear with it. Just turn on the fan when I'm not streaming, and that's all I need. The only reason why it's particularly bad problem for the stream is because if I turn on the fan, the noise cancellation gonna go overdrive, and it's gonna tune out my voice as I speak. Otherwise, my room here is actually one of the best rooms in the house in terms of like dealing with the heat. Should've got a mask. This. Oh. Okay. That's bit there very short. I don't need it. Alright, before I turn this down, let's check this length really quick. 69.52, so it's still shorter than I wanted, but that's okay. This one. Wait. Oh, this is the piece that I don't want. Okay. Put it on the desk there so that I don't mix with the other. 53.61. Ah, this is perfect. This one, the other one is not, but that's alright. Got beginner first luck with the shorter bit, but the longer one is it's a little short than I wanted. Yeah, one thing I should put on a mask because they are metal shaving everywhere. I'll pretty much zoom after the stream, I suppose. Nice talking to you. Catch you later. Time to get back to doing paperwork. Yeah. Yeah, good luck with your paperwork. Right, let's clean up. Alright, well, am I still on the gloves here? Gosh. I need to cut the rod for the dog as well. Find it. The rod. Oh my. One of these. Do the trick. Oh, it is. That was easy. I believe it needs to be 420. How do I not scratch my rod here? I don't know. I don't care. I'm just I see no doing. Gonna measure this gap here. Yeah, it's 41.7. We're going for 41.6. 416 millimeter. You know what I'm trying to say. And I'm not going to be too accurate with this because I don't care. I designed it to be like what, plus and minus 28 millimeter in terms of tolerance. If you fail to meet a 28 millimeter tolerance, you shouldn't be building a printer. Aww. Where is that? Aluminum is so easy to cut. There was a time where I even tried to spray some oil on this just so that I can avoid all the dust flying off. But now I just don't care. I ran out of machine oil basically, so I can't do it. Woo. What a workout! You're getting hot, this raw. What's that? Phew. Don't want to do that every day. Yeah. I know a VTuber on YouTube who used to turn on a heavy machining on stream, and she didn't have any filtering on. Or they told me when I joined her stream. Doing it at home, but hold that against her for the end of time. To graduate. One of these days, I'll find a solution for you to get to hear my voice while all this like noise came through still. Don't know how that's gonna do yet. That's the one thing that got me to be all hype about AI. I know that because what? AI noise cancelling? Anyone? I don't have an NVIDIA card obviously, so I never use it. What was I doing? Yes, I need to test this. Yep, it came right through very cleanly. Now I need to put the headset insert in there, and I need to put that in there. So let's get on the bench. Oh, turn this down for now. I'm gonna show you the my table. Oh, don't break anything by pulling the cord. Alright. It's a good angle, isn't it? Got in. I'll put this away so that I can have some space. Two, go. I don't need the gloves anymore because I'm not working with anything dusty and or hazardous anymore. Was that one? So I print these X-liner, rail rider. What am I to call it? Just in case the yellow one doesn't work, but now they work. So. Oh, I need to blow my nose. One sec. Hey, I hit the volume slider by accident. Hope that my voice still came through correctly. Not microplastics. Not microplastics. This is macroplastic. It's on. Oh, but wait. Been having too much sweetener in my tea lately. Too much honey. Oh, there's only one in there. Wait, if you put on arrival. Wait, what's the melting temperature for ABS again? I'm gonna put 230 for now. Is that right? got a jar here, glass jar. This thing in. Ow. But put some nuts in now. Remember correctly. These are, yeah, they're 3 by 10. Put these on. These are just handles. This 3 by 10 bolt that coming through this piece here. It's just handles so that you can pull this out when you need to. Another thing that I can listen to. Oh wait, one thing that I definitely need to do is just chamfer this thing, huh? Yeah, I need to chamfer this. Where's the notebook? I need to write that down. I've been meaning to write that down for ages. Everything doesn't have an S at the end. What? Yes. 12, 16, and M3 by 16 again. There's a lot of M3 by 16 in this project. I may not have enough, but yeah, I may not have enough of M3 by 16 by the end of this. So keep in mind. Hopefully, I don't run out before next month. This here is just a adjustment piece. I can push it in like that, and that just allows the whole dog to go up and down, but to be adjust up and down for the height to it. The noise still not. It's still like the way the noise gauge is still cutting out some of my wording there. Very annoying. almost near. Okay. Oh wait, no, two more. One more. Where's the invite? Again, I will not putting any glue in here. Hopefully, I don't have to the other piece as well. And this is what? Oh, yes. Oh. It's a little loose here, but so let's hope it's not too much of a problem. Anyway, let's start both bottom. Oh, I did that though. Oh, that's oh, this is wrong. Oh. Oh, there was 6 actually. Oh, that's annoying. M6 just right outside, hit right outside the wall, so and I made it is. Oh, I forgot to chamfer this as well. Oh, that was a word. You know, there's a slight layer shift there. Not, but just look like it. now I need to remember which is what is what. Let's go over there, let's go over there, not there, not there. Let's go on that, right? I'm just going to temporarily put this rod in there just to line things up. Tolerance on this is perfect. How's this supposed to do? Got to go like that, right? That's not supposed to go. Okay. I need to check the cat. About what all this is all about. Alright, yeah, so. Alright, let me just show you what I'm looking at here. Alright, so yeah, this piece lined up with the inner hole here. So I am and I'm pretty sure the hole is 10 mil deep, so I can go for M3x16 this one as well. Oh damn. Everything I do is M3x16, huh? Oh no, M3x12. By 12. So basically it needs to be loose, but not so loose that it's floppy. I might want to drop the whole side on that, just to make it a little more dirty. Alright, I'm gonna try the other one in as well while we're at it. I'm pretty sure I got this wrong. Oh no. Yeah, no, wait. Yeah, I need to get that gap in there. Oops. How deep this screw supposed to be is supposed to be as deep as that bolt. Yeah. Oh, the lighting is not on your side. Yeah, so the bolt head here need to meet the start of that thing. It's not need. They don't need to be. I just need. It's just for better better alignment of the what it called rubber band. So how long do we need this? 20. Alright. 22, 20, so 22, so go for M3 by 20. Yeah, I think I need to drop the tolerance on these holes. Let's just start assembling this onto the rod now. I'm not sure though the fact that I need a rod is a good thing or a bad thing. Because on one sense it's easy to instruct people to do this, but on the other, this means that you always have to have a rod laying around, just so that you can put things together. By the way, maybe there's some more stronger music. I do my stream better. I get bored with jazz, not gonna lie. Oh, by Steve Bill is online too. Oh, lame. Everyone wants a piece of this time. Who can I want? Who can I want? How are you guys feeling about electric music? Yeah, I'll give you guys some seconds there to respond before I turn on the electric channel. this one does not came out to print nicely at all. It was a little warp at the end there. Yeah, this supposed to be a sharp edge right there, and it did not came out nicely. Oh, good thing it's a prototype. Put it right now. Put the hammer in the rod on this side first. Oops. Ah, the magnet fell off. It's N992, so strong. Not unwieldy, in fact. This is so finicky. Nice. That one there. We'll go. One second. This one should be easy. Oh, one just threw a bit too hard. Alright. Let's sort of put it, line the pins up a little bit. There we go. There we go. Brought back in. Good. a well, almost done, almost done. Where's one? Not to sell, always put these two bolts on the outside in first. Because right now it's it's at an angle right now, and I might just trying to force it for this one because I'm not. Oh wait, no, I can actually take that off. Yeah. Getting here is a rather annoying process, not gonna lie. So anyway, I just need to add the rubber band in now. Oh wait, no, let's just put the rod in first so that I can get some 4-bar linkage. Now I'm going to grab myself some rubber bands. For those who are wondering why rubber band instead of an actual spring, the amount of space that we have here is the amount of space that we have in this little gap is so small that I can't think of any spring that would fit. That's it. The rubber band, I have noticed degrade in hot chamber quite fast. It's I guess it's some little trade-off that I make here with this one. But someone just messaged something on Discord. Okay, not something important because I'm in the middle of a stream. What? Okay, that's one side done. Oh, and I forgot the magnet. God damn it, Vinny. Oh, I can add it here. I'm not gonna add the magnet. I'm not gonna add the magnet because the way that it is right now, it needs to be glued. And I'm not gonna glue a magnet onto a prototype. It's just stupid. Alright, so the way that I think is gonna work right now is I'm gonna tie this into a I don't know, 25mm loop. Jacob in Construct 3D said that CF is his go-to engineering material. Who validated, mate? Beautiful. There we go. So if I push it to the right. Ah, it snapped down. Nope. Oh, let's get no, let's put on the bar end first. Let's put on the bar end. Huh? Oh, so tight. Actually, let me check my Discord really quick. Just in case someone asking for help. Yeah, everyone on the Voron Discord is angry about my my decision to not angry my decision not to not anneal the PET. Oh, we'll see. We'll see. PETCF is what I'm trying to say. I believe there's a big difference there if I say PETCF bit. Alright. I'm sure they got a point. And from the way they say it seems like that everyone kind of agree on the kneeling. So before I fully go crazy on like finishing the machine, I might have to do that, like turn the oven on for 100 and leave the piece in there for a while. Please give me a sec. Alright, here we are. This is all that what come down to, boys. Alright, that was climatic. It just fit. Just in the middle. Alright, let's tighten things down before I trigger anything. Ooh, okay, that's my problem. We'll see. Nice, nice. Okay. That probably needs to be shorter. Alright, get ready? First to change. Okay, you can't even see it. Oh, yeah. Oh, I fucked up, guys. I'm sorry. No. Because you can't see this. Alright, you can see the first latter half of the two change. Alright, so this is sticking. I don't like that. But ultimately, I think everyone kind of see what's going on here. Yeah, that's the two out. I go in, oh, and then go in again. Wait, why are you? Wait, when can I grab it? Hello? Just caught it. Ooh, I think my tolerance is slightly too tight. Oh, there. Come back. So yeah, so I need to go on like that. Yeah, why it requires assistance, unfortunately. Well, let me try to drop the bar end down before I make the conclusion. Okay. Start again. By the way, the what's it that the action force on these rail is 2 kilo. What I'm pushing right now with my hand is nothing. Except for that, that's actually very stiff. Angle is a little too tight. Oh. So I want to drop this bar down a little more. Yeah, so I want this to go down a little more. And but that I don't mean do it now because this is gonna be design. The approach angle is too tall, too high. Oh. Yeah. So actually, let me just pull this down here. You can see it. Oh, I put you on my lap. Oh, just bear with me, chat. There we go. So you can see this angle here, where the all of these bottom bar is angle. That angle is too steep. So when in an approach, it's just like it gets locked in place instead of actually actuating. So if I can, well, let me just lock it in real quick. Yeah, no, I'm just grabbing the back of grabbing the back of the x-carriage here. And pull towards the camera. Just slowly pull back. Yeah. Obviously, this did not engage correctly, but that can be adjusted. Or, but when in the approach, and push it up. Yeah, because yeah, this one again, this is. So basically, by making this longer, I will put basically having this around that angle there. I want this to be at that angle there, where the I'm just put the camera up here. See if that works better. Yeah, let's go. So if this is around that angle there, up just a little bit up. So if the two heads are approach at that angle there instead of where it's beginning, that is like what 20% higher than it is supposed to be. And machine will be able to push it in, I think. No, that's the bottom. Sorry, that one. Let me just play with this now. This dock is a little wiggly on the end now. How do we deal with this? Yeah, this approach angle is too tall, so I have to push it back. I just have to push it from the bottom here for it to actually be able to actuate. if I lock the dock in and put the two head on, so yeah, and also this hook here on the dock is a little bit too plastic, too tight. Alright, let me just adjust the camera real quick. Oh, drop a thing. Oh, let me just spin the tripod around basically, so I can actually so it's none of the weird knob get in the way. Alright, yeah, there we are. Alright, so if this is actually adopted like so, I can use this, I can hold at the back of the x-carriage here. And it sort of worked. Oh, it worked. Okay. It took a while, but it worked. How do we... What else do we need to do? Because you can see I'm pushing on the rod. The rod is flexing a little bit before it even actuate. Alright, so I'm locking the first. I try locking in the latch at the bottom of the two head right now. Is that enough? No. I push up a little more. Nope, still need a bit of So I'm thinking what I'm gonna do is I need to bias these two. So right now, these two here are in line. They are horizontal to each other. So I think I'm gonna bias that alignment there just tilt like that. So when it push in, the tendency is for the dock itself to flex backward instead of flex forward, like back and forth like this. So tighter tolerance on the hole would definitely help with that as well. And that change in alignment will also help with the approach here. As long as the approach is done correctly. Yeah, so as long as the approach is done correctly, and the two head can go sideways. Can it go sideways? Oh, it can go sideways. Yep. It can go out, and the head to head stop. Then it go back in, going that way, and go backward. Yeah, the two heads doesn't fall in place 100% of the time, but that can be once again. We have to adjust for that. Create some tolerance at the back so that the two heads can fall backward a little bit more. Is what I'm going to do there. Oh, seems nice. Yeah, no. So what happened is when this dock got tilted forward like this back become a camp because now this is higher than that one. And so instead of trying to push the oh. That's odd. One sec. Maybe I was just being too much of a baby to push it. Okay. Oh yeah, no. So this is what happening. No. So this happened. So when this thing push on this gate here, it doesn't touch the bottom. By pushing on this gate here, what happened is that gate is pivot around this point instead of that point. So it pivot around here, So this come up and it lock the whole thing in place instead of being actuated. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the problem. So we unintentionally pivot ourselves around that point instead of the rod where it meant to go. If we push it down on the base here, if I push on the base here, it's very light. This is not 2 kilo. Right, so I think biasing these two holes on that like that instead of that, I want the 2 holes to be lined like that. So one up there, one down there. That is how I'm going to address this issue. And as for the approach angle, honestly, I'm not too sure. I think the approach angle on the Pro right now is fine because I can push it down here. It's not much. It's not much at all. It's not much force at all. I couldn't tell. Yeah, I can pinky this. It's fine, and it's locked into just fine as well. So, with all that, I reckon I need to throw down some notes here. So, what time is it? Oh, magnet holder for the 2 head. What the hell did I set there? And it locked in place even without the magnet. So I'm pretty happy with how this stock is hold itself in place. And the reason why this is work with and the V1 over there need the magnet is because V1 use metal rod instead of plastic interface to lock itself in place, and the metal rod can just slide itself off. The friction is too high, it's too low on that one. Let me write this down really quick. So increase clearance for the rail and 2 head side on the tap and change. Okay. Reduce torrent on the hole, pivoting hole on the dock. Bias the pivoting hole on the dock. How do you spell bias? Okay, Google. How do I spell bias? Oh, B-I-A. Alright, so that angle. Anything else I need to do? Oh, I need to produce assembly step for the dock. That was finicky as hell when I did it just now. Alright, so that is when the whole dock is engaged correctly. I'm just gonna push it in. Yeah. And that, and push it onto the that way. Lock the dock in place. Back. Voila. Now I'm going back in, go on to this side, slowly backward, get up. Yeah, there's some little wiggle there just to get it in, and that's fine, we can do it in software. There we go. Oh yeah, so as long as we can get this lock in place in the first place, the machine can easily do the push, lock, back off. Coming in, the coming in part is easy. No, the retreat part is easy because there's the two rubber band on both sides, and it's equally equally load on the dock. The dock itself actually assists on the pickup. So when I push to the right here, for my right, this thing is gonna slowly fall down, and I can just wiggle a little bit, just make sure that in there, then I pack off. Still not in. Oh, it's in now. Yeah. So that biasing problem is definitely an issue because when this front bit here, because due to the tolerance, it got pushed forward a little bit. That the hook on the back here is an angle now, so it cannot just hook onto the tool head, and it's just like if it don't lock into the tool head, it cannot engage correctly. The bottom cannot engage the tool head correctly, and it could not be pushed correctly. So I'm going to do that one more time. So I will deal with that locking myself. When I come in, just lock that in by hand right for now. Now push it one more forward. Oh, not yet. Going forward. Oh, come on. Yeah, that's it. Oh, there's an argument for pulling back fast, huh? So if you pull back slow, so if I pull it back slowly, to give the dock time to do not find its way basically. So this thing can now go on different path. But get in. Alright, so okay. Now, if I go back roughly where the pin engage very quickly, it's actually engaged better. And because instead of giving it time for this upper piece to wiggle around, if we just yank it back, the thing actually slammed down very quickly. That slamming force actually contribute to the pickup. Okay. So apparently we just lock ourselves into a B2 change. All right, where are we with the time? 3.5 hours. Oh, do we want to watch the YouTube video before we start, or to make it to 4 hours, or nah? I think there's only 2 person, on the chat, right? But I reckon you guys want a bit of your time back. What we're gonna do? I reckon we're gonna end here. So what we learned today is the docking system work. Refinement is required. But yeah, no, but I'm happy with what I have. In fact, it's better than I thought. So for tomorrow, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be in the cab for the whole time. I'm going to implement all the things that I just found today. We're gonna have to pump out a couple more prototype before move on from the gantry. You guys may notice that I have not put, even though it doesn't have not relevant to it at all. I haven't put on the gantry bit for the bed or the electronic, because I want to keep this frame light as possible, for one. For two, as I had been seeing in the Voron chat, I might have to disassemble all the printed part and give them a little annealing. I'll figure that out throughout the week. But yeah, that's for me. If you guys like the video, like the stream, make sure to like and subscribe. For those who are keen to support me, it's a membership as well, especially on Patreon. It's better if you support me on Patreon, in fact. But anyway, that's it. I still don't have an ending stream, but thank you for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow.